IAS paper 2024 vote paper Indian economy. Discuss the objectives and significance of Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana in India. So what is that Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana? It is also known as Ayushman Bharat, and it is a flagship health insurance scheme which is being launched by the government of India. This ambitious program aims to provide accessible and affordable healthcare to millions of Indians, and particularly the economically disadvantaged. Here we will discuss its primary objective and its significance in the Indian healthcare landscape. So what are the objectives being and significance? So universal health coverage. PMJAY aims to provide health coverage to approximately 10.74 crore vulnerable family, which translates to around 50 crore individual, and this objective is in line with achieving universal health coverage. What is the financial protection? This scheme provides an annual health cover of up to 5 lakh per family for secondary and tertiary care, hospitalization, accessibility and quality care. PMJY strives to improve access to quality healthcare service across India, particularly for the poor and vulnerable sections of the society, and aims to ensure that healthcare services are not just available. Expansion of healthcare infrastructure. By providing a robust framework for health insurance, PMJY encourages the establishment and improvement of healthcare infrastructure in both public and private sector. Promotion of preventive healthcare. So while the scheme predominantly focuses on secondary and tertiary care, it also aims to promote preventive healthcare practices to reduce the overall disease burden in the population. Now, what is the significance of this scheme? Reduction of out-of-pocket expenditure. One of the critical impact of PMJY which is significant reduction in out-of-pocket expenditure for healthcare, where a reduction is vital. Why? Because the substantial portion of the population is at risk of being pushed into poverty. Healthcare inclusion, encouragement of healthcare utilization, encouragement prompt healthcare utilization which can lead to better health outcome, employment generation, strengthening of the public health system, data collection, public-private partnership, encouraging private hospital to participate in providing healthcare service, improvement in health equity, promoting preventive health. So Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana is a transformative initiative in India's healthcare sector which is aiming to provide financial protection and accessible quality healthcare to millions of vulnerable families. Its objectives are not only to alleviate financial burden due to medical expenses but also to promote overall health equity and development in the country, and by reducing out-of-pocket expense, improving healthcare accessibility and fostering public-private partnership, PMJY significantly enhances the country's healthcare landscape. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe to the channel and like, share, comment if you like the video.